Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link eBay to Amazon. Looking to resell Amazon products on eBay or manage both stores from one place? In this video tutorial, I'll give you some information and some instructions and some tips on how to link eBay to Amazon using smart tools like Sync Listing, Stock and Orders. So let's dive in and follow these steps together. The first step is to use a multi-channel tool. You can use tools like Codisto, Channel Advisor, or Seller Camp. Let's look for these tools. Right here, you can find this one right here. Click on it. Also, you can use Channel Advisor. Here. And you can also use Seller Camp. Choose which one you want to choose and sign up and choose the Amazon Plus eBay integration. Once you do that, the second step is to connect your Amazon account. And to do that, let's go to amazon.com and log in using your account's credentials. Once you log into Amazon, go to settings and then click on Amazon channel and authorize your Amazon Seller Central account. As for the third step is to connect your eBay account. And to do that, just go to settings and then click on eBay channel and log into your link and link your eBay seller account. The fourth step is to sync products. Choose which Amazon products to push to eBay and edit the titles, pricing and description for eBay format. Some tools auto update inventory from Amazon. And for the fifth and final step, manage orders in one dashboard. Orders from eBay and Amazon appear in one place. So ship manually or use FBA for eBay. Some tools allow this. And now you're selling on Amazon and eBay simultaneously with less effort. Avoid listing Amazon branded items directly to eBay and watch for price difference to stay profitable and check platform rules to avoid policy violation. And this was it for today's tutorial. These were some information about how to link Amazon to eBay. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.